Good day guys, welcome back to Guides and Customs channel. Hope you've been enjoying the content so far. Also, if you didn't as yet, please do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. Today we will be installing a 160i intake on Casper, my friend's 150i Ballade, and yeah, I'll take you guys throughout the process. And once again, thanks for all the support, thanks for helping me reach 1k, and as you guys can see, the ads are now in the videos, so I thank you all for everything. And yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy. Alright, so firstly we will be cleaning off the new intake as well as the fuel rail. I first have to check if the fuel rail fits, and then I'm gonna start cleaning on from there, because otherwise I'm gonna have to do some drilling in the original fuel rail. But yeah, do the cleaning and then get to the fitting.
Wave, 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 wave. Now I'm going up, I'm going up, I'm going up, I'm going up. Wave, 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 wave. Said I'm going up, I'm going up, said I'm going up.
Right guys, so I managed to clean up the intake as well as the fuel rail. I tried spraying the intake but ran out of spray, so it's not that good though, but what I have to do for now until we can respray it again. Yeah, I'm gonna do maybe go with the red for the fuel rail, and then once it's dry then it's fitment time.
I'm going up, well I'm going up, straight to the top, and I ain't gonna stop. Witness the clothes that will put what we love. They say I got a mellow flow, I think I'm too cold, like 259s on the head, can't cold, don't get fine, I'm a two-faced, damn boys get gold, don't get cat cold, wouldn't do cat cold, not even cat's cold. Now I ain't trying to be controversial, can't blink chronicles, the bad don't smoke on this chronicle, damage to the game, got me chilling in the hype all the time. I'm a lyrical spinning project, young villain, fuck around, drop a track, you about to make a hit, competition looks dead, less I'm looking in the mirror, that's a whole life, I'm trying to hit a jackpot with 2007, I'm a black James Bond, wanna go.
Alright guys, now I'm going to remove the old throttle body of the 160i intake, and then I'm going to do some removing in the in the engine bay of the 150i. Right guys, engine by time, taking off the 150i intake, so yeah, stay tuned.
Never learn, yeah, tell it these bitches they never learn. Yeah. I got 3 eyes, 2 to look and 1 to see. Pass the bullshit, pass the leaf. Sippy wine and smoking cheese. This Buddha came from the east. Out the ocean came the beast. Flow, knock 'em off their feet. 10 toes, not a feet. 10 toes, not a feet. Flicking their rhymes cause I got no scheme. Got the green in the papes, yeah I like it clean. I'm blunt, that's a rap, better cut that scene. Got the A taking over, all this shit's wavy. All it straight to the brain, yeah that shit's crazy. Too wild on the path, yeah they can't tame me. Hieroglyphics forming ancient scriptures. Mathematic patterns build the world we live in. Demigods with a wristlet, athletic bars like a Fitbit. Man I kill 'em all, talking fitness. See you fading off, we in pin bitch. Authenticate bars, the pretending. Minds are done bending, a sleeper paralysis. I sip from chalices, high above averages, doing these damages.
Right guys, so what I actually did was took off this baby right there, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts with 12mm, and then just all the piping. I had to make all the not piping, the hoses, so make the hoses loose. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take off the original throttle body and put it on the 160i intake. That way everything is still perfect. The GPS sensor on here, the map sensors on here, and cold start sensor. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now.
Lucid with the lyrics, man, they say that I'm a gimmick, that I need some latex. Every time I'm on a beat I penetrate heaven space. Now I'm late, I'm chilling in my mellow state. Pioneer D vocals with an even blunter spade. Playing jazzy tunes, feeling like a Looney Tune. Crazy like the animation on the screen. Flipping through the channels, trying to find the wrath had to follow. Man, I really do not follow unless you're talking Joe Carroll. I'm pulling strings to pattern, now I think I need some bling. That's the season when I'm rapping, boom, bapping, need a feature. But I'm really like these niggas, need the niggas that I gang. Cause you know we are the latest, now we on another wave. Chasing tides, but I ain't pulling back. Stuck with organic sound, so it's best that we resonate. Been smoking for a while, can't tell if I'm sober yet. So fuck around, roll another J. Let us wake and bake it even though we know no sleep. Nigga, fuck sleep, shout out Rocky for that heat. Now we all burning up till the ashes rising up. Now we all phoenix in a pit of fire. Burn a soul, burn a boy, I done burn a awesome nigga, fuck 'em all, fuck 'em all. Now we all need a round of applause for all the bullshit we've been gunning for. It's a world of the primarily living, we all figments of nature, bound to be wiped off this planet. Don't be caught in the end, still attached to desire. Lucid with the lyrics, man, they say that I'm a gimmick, that I need some latex. Every time I'm on a beat I penetrate heaven space. Now I'm late, I'm chilling in my mellow state. Pioneer deep vocals with an even blunter spade. Playing jazzy tunes, feeling like a Looney Tune. Crazy like the animation on the screen. Flipping through the channels, trying to find the right path to follow. Man, I really do not follow unless we're talking Joe Carroll.
Papa tabs here portal, run the shit like Rick and Morty. Time shift, man it's falling, eyes closed, I ignored him. But the vision keep on calling, ocean breeze in the morning. Stiff joints, rigor mortars, pupils wide, bet they sources. Gripping the trident, flows like Poseidon. The plan got me high in the floor.
But blessed to get it, this ain't perplexing vision. Touchdown player finish. The discretion we living is freely. Chasing the bag, we get it. No hidden agendas are landed. Free throw dunk, we get it. Hold up, do we just get it? The flow of blessed to get it. This ain't perplexing vision. Touchdown player finish. The discretion we living is freely. Chasing the bag, we get it. No hidden agendas are landed. Free throw dunk, we get it. Hold up, do we just get it? That's the revival of real fucking rappers. I'm moving towards something bigger than me. With the movement, the force in the weekend, a show in the sequel. I talk about shit but it's bigger than me, but the mission's to kill. Melancholy music all up in my scenes. I'm living a dream like Poseidon. I'm raising the waters through all of Atlantis. I lead the force, I'm not familiar with your line of attack.
Right guys, she's alive. I ran into some hiccups, some piping that I didn't have, and then I had to go buy, and then it was this and that, some slight hiccups. Not too bad though, but yeah, it's fully sorted now. So yeah, car is up and running, intake is installed. I'll show you guys how it looks just now.
Pivotal, focused on losing the visuals. Rage on my scope, keep them light like the inner scope. Retaliation got me free balling. I'm so wavy on my psychedelics. Catch a cold case, culinary killing, killer king, killer case, king figures. I'm the one nigga, rapadelic, kinda shiggy nigga. Figure missions to get it. Bigger figures than the spars. Actually walk with a pistol, my talk source in the bar drop so big. You can tell while lyrics stand up on the mic. That's a joke in the visual wall pool. Step into the star pool, catch me in a beat, bounce a video for feet. I don't hesitate, I let it rip off. What when the brand's affiliation is a root that leads to holy grail. Call the devil, I'm the pawn in the Facing insomniac maniac, I lose my mind like Joe Cal in the following. A load up Beretta, got intentions to murder the rap games of the rappers like platter. So fuck all the critics and fuck all the clicks. I'm as bad as a fiend with lyrics too ill. Where have I been? I've been working on this. The flow, bliss, you get it. This ain't perplexing vision. Touchdown, player, finish. The discretion we live in is free.
Up and running, my guy, up and running. Hi guys, so we've reached the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Any questions maybe regarding this, you're welcome to leave them down in the comment section. I am aware that the motor is slightly bit noisy, but that's how I got it. So I'm not a mechanic, so we are going to replace the head by MAD Performance soon, as there is a cam seal leak. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up, as well as a subscribe, and the comments helps a lot as well. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy my videos, and yeah, cheers.
Lose my mind like Joe Cal in the following. A load up Beretta, got intentions to murder the rap games of the rappers like platter. So fuck all the critics and fuck all the clicks. I'm as bad as a fiend with lyrics to